Good morning. It is ClayTrader. It is 9:27 a.m. Eastern time, so 3 minutes before the chart or the market opens. I'm looking at the chart of GE right now. You can see over here, big volume, and it's up 38 cents. So might be a potential player, but if not, if you've watched my past videos, you know that Facebook is the stock that I've been trading almost exclusively. So we'll see where the day takes us, but just want to get things set up and prepped. So I will keep you posted on any sort of stocks or trades that I get into. Okay, I'm going for some shares of Facebook here at 58.70. If it can drop down there, you can see just massive chaos here the first couple minutes. So I'd like to try to capitalize on the people that are freaking out, but looking like that bounce and opportunity is already happening. So yeah, that's not going to work. Maybe I'll look to hop over and do some shorting now, but never mind. That trade's not going to play out. Just to show where the 58.70 is coming from, if you look here, you can see bottom of this channel from yesterday. Lots of times the price came down here and bounced off 58.70. So that would be a nice little risk versus reward area to at least start to build a position. Is it going to hold? I don't know, but at least it's a good spot to start to build. And I could see the price at least bouncing back up and retesting it. So if it does that, I can buy more shares and then keep my average price close to it. So let's zoom back in and see if I can get filled. That'll turn green, or that's going to tell me how many shares I get if I do get filled. And then I'm just going to go for a 5-cent move here. How low did it actually go? Went as low as 58.72, so within 2 cents. And now it's starting to get that bounce. All right, well, within 2 cents, but just missed it, so that didn't work out either. Okay, going for a short here at 59.30. See if it can get up there and hit me. Technically, probably should have had my order at 59.27. And please, let's see how high it went. 59.28. So, getting back up there again. I am in. So now going to look to cover at 59.25. You can see bounce here happening, but it is during kind of a downwards move. So if it pulls back, then that's where I'll be looking to get out at is 59.25. If I need to do some more shares, I will do that. Looking like it's at a bigger move right now. So I'll look to short another up here at 59. If I could get 60s, that'd be nice. Put it at 59.58. So obviously this is a big move here. I think it's a little bit overdone here. Okay, so I'm in there now. My average cost is 59.44. If I need to short some more, and I think I will, if I can get some more 58s here. Like I said, I feel like this move is way overdone, and there should be at least some sort of pullback here. Okay, I'm in, so now my average is 59.49. So on any sort of pullback here, I will look to exit my position, or if I need to, I'll go into loss mitigation mode and just start to trade myself out of it, and with the goal of taking a loss, but just taking a controlled loss. So here's obviously just a big move here. If I need to short some more, I will, but like I said, I think this move is just way overdone. So there's going to be some sort of pullback here. And I will pause the video for now, and then I'll keep you posted with whatever I decide to do. I apologize, but I missed the fill. As you can see, went up there, and it's one of those things where this is why I do love charts. From an emotional standpoint, I could see why people would be freaking out. Oh, it's the end of the world, it's the end of the world. But you just have to understand that the price, this move is just so overextended. It was ridiculous. And yeah, did I feel some pain? Sure I did, but at the same time, I understood charts, so I didn't get emotional. There's a lot of capitulation up here. I'm sure people just finally gave in and got out from the short side, that is. But like I said, this was just so overextended, and the chart told me that. So it really does show the power of charts in terms of just keeping your emotions in check. I knew it was overextended, and it happens time and time again. Big move, and then there's got to be some sort of pullback. I'm not saying a reversal, but some sort of pullback. And then there was that pullback, which allowed me to get out, and I had $133. Now, was it a massive score? No, by no means. Like I said, at that point I was pretty much in loss mitigation mode, but I also knew that on the pullback, that's where I was going to sell. And I figured I would probably take about $300 loss or so, but when it started to pull back, just watching level 2s, you could see they just started to collapse. So then I felt, all right, well, maybe I can actually pull out some sort of profit. And then before actually you could see I covered my first pretty much right at break even, but the level 2s just collapsed so fast, like they are right now, just absolutely coming down, where I actually got some profits on my next 2 orders. And now you can see I could have made some very, very nice money here, but this I'm speaking in hindsight. So I'll try to catch one more, but at least this gives kind of a good example of why I didn't freak out, just because you got to understand charts, and that's why I love charts. Yes, there was some pain involved here, but at the same time, you got to just stick those emotions aside and understand that the price was just super overextended, and now you're seeing the results of that. Still, might not reverse. We'll probably put in a higher low, but you knew that this pullback was going to be coming at some point in time. Going for some shares at 59.05. I am in. Now I have an order in to sell at 59, and there we go. That's more what I'm going for. You saw how quick that one was, just in and out. Finally got a decent entry point. See if I can catch some more trade. Have an order in at 58.95. If the 59s break, I like the opportunity for it to shoot down that 5 cents. Fill me and then hopefully snap back relatively quickly. I have 200 shares. Oh, come on, don't give me a partial. Still only have 200 shares. All right, and that's the move I was looking for, so I'm just gonna have to go with 200 shares here. And I'll just sell those wherever. So I made what, 10 cents on those 200 shares. So what is that, 20 bucks? So that stinks. Only got a partial fill there of the 200. You can see right there, 200 of my 1500 at 58.95. But I'll try to catch another trade. I'm liking this action right now. Okay, looking to go short here at 45. Let's see if it can get up there and fill me at 45. I'm in. Looking now to cover at 59.40. And I am out, so there we go. That's what I'm going for, those quick little scores. So let's see if I can catch maybe one more here. I have an order in a short at 59.58. Not real sure if 59.50 is gonna fall, but if it does, it's one of those just big round numbers. So I'd like to see it shoot up and hit me at 59.58. But like I said, and went over at the 5-minute, showing the 59, actually technically 59.48 as a key level of resistance, and how high did it go? 59.49. So not too shocked there, but just wanted to play it a little bit more safe. So it's looking like that one's probably not going to play out. But it is actually 10 a.m., so we are half an hour into the day, and up 303 on the day. I'd like to catch one more. All right, here, let's see if the 59.50s can fall here. I'm going to try to catch one more. I'll try to keep the video shorter, though, so if it looks like I'm going to get filled, I will, or if it looks like 50 is going to fall, then we can at least watch that and see how the price reacts with that. Okay, 59, and they're out, and I have 300 shares now. Come on, stop giving me partials. 900 shares, 1,500, now looking to get out at 59.53. And I guess that wasn't the best entry point, so we'll have to go into building a bigger position here. But I've already shorted at an overextended point, so I still feel good about it. But I am going to just move that up now and cover at 59.55 instead of going for the 5-cent score. Just kind of accept the fact that I didn't get the best possible entry point, and then just move on to try to find something else. I didn't get filled down there. It's close. All right, well, I really don't feel like getting caught in another one of these upwards moves, so I'm just going to, let's see, 58. So I'll go 57, just cover my commissions and move on to fight another day. So let's hope it can at least drop down 2 more cents from here. You can see it seems like there's some support starting to form here around the 60 area. So that's why I just admit to myself, wasn't the best entry, so got out, and now it's dropping. But so yeah, you see how it goes. Obviously that 58 wasn't as good as I thought it was going to be. It's fine now. I would have gotten out at 53, but again, I'm talking in hindsight, so take that with a grain of salt. So anyways, it is now 10:03 a.m. Up 318 bucks, and it was kind of a crazy morning, but a nice little way to start the day. So and like I said, I've already touched on that. Learn how to use charts. I mean, during this move here, I'm sure a lot of people were freaking out, but it was I don't want to say obvious that this move was coming, and not that I didn't know that it was going to pull back this deep, but you just got to know overextended, going to be some sort of pullback, which allowed me to get out. So that's just one of the many ways charts can benefit you and help you to just remove emotions from the process. If you want to learn how to use charts, I do offer some courses at ClayTrader.com. That's my blog. You can either go there or just click in the links below the video. Also have a trading group that you can sign up to. Very cost effective, literally less than 1 cup of coffee per week. We have chat rooms. I send out a weekly newsletter. So it's a very good value for everything that you get with it. So check that out too at ClayTrader.com. That's all I have for you. Thanks for listening, and enjoy the 3-day weekend.